It's an unfortunate fact that drunk driving is a considerable problem in the United States that often leads to devastating consequences. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report that the annual cost of drunk driving accidents total over $51 billion, and that almost 30 people die every day in alcohol-related car crashes. The Office for Victims of Crimes reports that an estimated 30% of United States citizens will be involved in a drunk driving accident at some point during their lifetime. It is imperative to seek legal advice if you've been involved in a drunk driving accident. Since the judicial process for treating this type of accident is far different than the process for treating non-alcohol related accidents, and you must get started quickly to ensure a fair settlement. A drunk driver will receive a much harsher sentence than a driver who was not intoxicated. At the same time, the injured party can significantly increase their claim amount if involved with a motorist who was intoxicated at the time of the accident. If you've been involved in a drunk driving accident, seek professional representation immediately. The attorneys at Edward Bernstein Associates are among the leading drunk driver accident lawyers in our state. Our attorneys have extensive experience in representing victims of drunk driving accidents, and we'll fight hard to get you the compensation that you deserve, including lost medical expenses, pain and suffering, punitive damages, lost income, and in a worst case scenario, wrongful death. Be sure to seek legal representation immediately to ensure your case is settled fairly. Drunk drivers may be faced with jail time, punitive damages, considerable fines, and license revocation, and other consequences that can be mitigated with the assistance of an experienced attorney. Victims of drunk driving accidents should be awarded full compensation for all financial losses, in addition to pain and suffering. Over the last 35 years, I've worked very closely with Mothers Against Drunk Driving and with Stop DUI. We're familiar with victims of drunk driving. Call Edward Bernstein and Associates and let us get started for you today.